Tibi palium donet.
May the God of peace, who
Quod
brought back
ab
from the dead our Lord
Petri
Jesus
confessione
Christ, the great
sonsimus.
shepherd of the sheep, bestow upon you
Ille
the
pastor
pallium
bonus
taken from
suos
the tomb
agnos
of the apostle
suasque
Peter.
oves pascere
The
precepit.
good shepherd charged Peter to
Tu
feed his
odie
lambs
Petro
and his
succedis
sheep.
in episcopatu
Today,
uius
you succeed
ecclesiae,
him as the bishop
quam
of
ille,
this church,
cum apostolo
to
Paulo,
which he and
fidei
the apostle
genuit,
Paul were fathers in faith.
Spiritus veritatis,
May the
qui es
Spirit of
Patre
truth
procedit,
proceeds from the
uberem
Father,
inspirationem
grant you his
et
abundant
eloquium,
gifts
tuo
of
ministerio fratres
and
in
eloquence in the
fide
ministry of
unitate,
confirming your
confirmandi
brethren in the
largiatur.
unity of faith. And Cardinal Dominique Mamberti, Cardinal Deacon, representing members upon the pallium. Places on
Mwaziri w'obochenu Eden Duale nigatebire buna ewizari yote bwati chibesa chikuwakana abateresa ubarobereti kwa ndo mugiro nigatebire boigonga ewizari yotari yerete nerete keganche kyugwakana abateresa abo na iyo nigaya kwande bunenchire moyo ko muiraneria omo senator bwe county ya Nairobi Edwin Sifuna nere Godfrey Ososi oyoromo senator bwe county ya Vihiga.
Apostolico Constituisti, destere tue benedictionem te funde, et ipse robotretum dono spiritus tui sancti.
Kenya, Schedule 4 inasema resources follow functions. Wewe ukiwa nurse, kama wewe ni nurse na umesign contract na county government, pesa yako itakuwa kwa county government. 1st of July, I am transferring the whole payroll. Kwa sababu wewe unafanyia governor. Ni governor ndio anakuona kama umefanya, kama hujafanya. Sasa mimi nakaa wizara ya afya nitajuaje? Ya pili, Sifuna na Otsotsi na Senate. Sasa hivi walisema wanaongeza pesa ati 450 billion. Pesa ya UHC iko hapo. Nyinyi mseme hivyo tu mnitumie. Mkinitumia 4.2 million, mimi nalipa UHC. Msiponitumia wacha wafanye demonstration Senate na National Assembly. I am as straight as that. Unajua vile unapata SMS, mimi napata SMS. Na mimi naandikia no problem. Hakuna kitu kingine. Wengine wanalia. Unajua lazima tujue katika katiba ya Kenya kutenga pesa, the function of budget making ni ya Senate na National Assembly. So bwana Panyako na nurses and all healthcare workers under UHC, you have an opportunity to go before Senate and the National Assembly so that they give me the 4.2 billion to make you pensionable, permanent and pensionable. I am ready to do that.
Yomoske Duale tugotikana na Yomoske Duale toira naso mwaziri bwichibeso Moske John Badi litukolia rero nigaira ribagaria bene kubaerera abasae igoro yomuswada omuyiya bwe finance bill ya 2025-2026. Moske Badi ni goboigo abuli abasae kuira ribagaria mutwe eliyo kuligerera muswada iyo nabo igo kuligerera inganchira kiye ora chigo chinchia magimabo amo n'abakenya.
But then someone mischievously comes and introduces an amendment that makes KRA completely ineffective by saying that if you have some trade secrets on financial trade secrets, then that information, for you to get that information, again a long process which will take years for KRA just to get some information that they need to be able to assess the correct tax payable. Because let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, this country, we should also not allow tax cheats to hide behind laws to run away from paying what they should pay. We need to be more involved in budget process in terms of advocacy, because if no one speaks for this segment of health, this
Waziri w'omerobelio ya serikali Geoffrey Ruku niga mubuliro munachibi mubino muneno musubati Martha Koome kwene kingibina byonsi iguru yebango nkoligerego bire na kugambwa asobwango nigo Ruku atebere bunene arera benchireyemo yo kwene kingimerobelio ya serikali kokolekanere asenchire bwenerete.
Commission consistently raised concerns regarding underfunding and the recurrent budget cuts that have hindered the full implementation of our core programs. I therefore take this opportunity to urge our partners, to urge even our executive and our parliament to enhance our budgetary allocation to enable us optimally deliver on our mandate and serve the public.
As public officers, we have a duty to continually innovate and transform systems and processes to increase the levels of efficiency, effectiveness, and responsiveness to the needs of the people of Kenya. The judiciary is the cornerstone of democratic governance and the rule of law in Kenya. It plays a very important role in ensuring cohesive and progressive Kenya. Therefore, the judiciary must be a well-functioning institution and a system in order to build bureaucratic trust and confidence in public services dispensed.
We have, as a judiciary and the Judicial Service Commission, consistently raised
Deputy President Abraham Kithure Kindiki umuragire kiaro Deputy President umukuru Geoffrey Rigathi Gachagua kubwatekana na mangana bwango iga ayarekano ko yakwana ase nyombe ya mugusasa mutandao bwekerero abua asate babuna chikura cyo mwaka bw'ikirube na 2025 nigo kirachye koba namangana mange nigo Kindiki atebere buna barayi nigo bagwente kubika abakenya amo likali gukwana mangana yo kubasegeta na kubabagana.
Wakisema mambo ya uchaguzi wa 2027, na mimi nataka niseme ya kwamba it is very unfortunate that as a country 2 years and some months before an election, some of the leaders of this country are busy putting the country on a campaign mode. Biblia inasema kuna kila jambo iko na majira yake. Wakati wa campaign ukifika ndio wakati wa campaign. Sasa hivi ni wakati wa kusukuma mambo ya maendeleo, barabara na stima na maji, masoko ile tunajenga ili watu wetu wapate fidia ya kura ambayo walipigia viongozi mbalimbali. Si mulisagua MCA na MP na governor na women rep na senator mpaka mkachagua rais. Hao viongozi wote jukumu yetu ni kukasana na mambo ya maendeleo. And I want to say without any fear of contradiction, any leader who is encouraging early political campaigns does not wish our country well, because we cannot be a country that campaigns from day 1, year 1 to year 5. We must have seasons, and therefore it is unfortunate and unpatriotic to put the country on a campaign mode. Lakini kwa sababu kuna demokrasia, kama hawatasikia waendelee na mambo yao, hatuna shida. Ile maneno ambayo tuko na shida nayo kidogo vile vile kama serikali Nimesikia viongozi wengine wakisema ya kwamba sijui kutakuwa na nini huko mbele to 2027, ati tena Kenya itakuwa na machafuko ya kisiasa. Kuna watu wanatabiri vita.
Mwancho muligeria bano roboti ururwaye amo Deputy President Kithure Kindiki na onko ya guturira akionga chinsainya chiabono mugoroba mbia mona sugo sangana inche kurutwa chaka chinsai bire guikabono kwa niaba ya timu embou ya Getembe TV ekorawa na Obed Mukua DJO aboigo Enoch Mukate minto editor kurochinse mochi ria chiagusi yakurukunga Aaron Ototo asense moyo kwa nikinga chi camera na Mario gya kwikira senchirere smart kegimango kwanira oyo minto kariri amo no yo minto matundura bonsinko bakira ngambia mono naboigo asense moye TV nae bia mono nyasabe nae guika Jumapili egocha Eliane Dennis Ouru.
Baraka ninjo, ninjo Getembe, ninjo Dorome, ninjo Mangana Mazu, ninjo Bangina ninjo, ninjo
ta cherero nkura geson kaweta abona chero bogetutu abageka bali mondi gere tiogeka ayogeka ogikomwa bonya gatanyi ogeka na abankuramba ali abagusero mate bona abaga ta cherero nkura geson kaweta na ay bono tigana kolenda mangara taisai tuara bigenta bantu bakora ko priority se garo do kora gento gete kora kelio pi meto kora tiga kubwatira ni binte binge ono ko nyoli chinchu wa ko no nyoli chips ama token ko nyole to tiga cherera jani mo kerege to na kore bento numero video to ta cherero nkura ke son kaweta kore gento kelia ke kolengete iga nkiona utacherero nkura ka kuna okole bintu bya itiga kore to ta cherero nkura ke soni ayikana wete so ke soni na so basaka na mu kuzia tena to ta cherero nkura ke soni ka wete oyo nkura no mu kuzero no yo ke soni no mo pinto bya ngora nsaka bi kwanga kai
Baraka ninjo, ninjo Getembe, ninjo Dorome, ninjo Mangana Mazu, ninjo Bangina ninjo.
Twatire kumama ine twatire
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kuba tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyo karose chirangi mense liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isia ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo kwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabati buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wekabunuragani bwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete ni ukwaya nyora bwikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerange ne duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe terase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Uhuru nabwata amone kisimiki Uhuru nabwata amona mabaki.
Endelea Kufurahia na Star Times. Discover your love language on our amazing channels all month long to enjoy intriguing telenovelas from all over the world daily. Renew your subscription today and endelea kufurahia na Star Times. Watch Filipino melodrama The Fake Life.
We really need to focus on this mission.
Get charmed with our Indian drama Soulmates and Turkish drama Lost in Love. You can also catch fresh episodes of Stepmom on Rainbow TV Plus every day at 8 p.m. Renew your subscription today and endelea kufurahia na Star Times. Buy the DTT decoder for only 1,199 shillings and top up 500 shillings to enjoy unlimited entertainment on the Classic Bouquet. You can also link your decoder to the Star Times On app to enjoy unlimited entertainment on the go anytime, anywhere. Star Times. Enjoy digital life.
Gusie bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja ETV ya uwanje Tiaga Temba Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 egoki nimrulu ao ya Gatembe Television Network ayene amatiao kuri miensi ya Kenya, ili ya Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, Wikanonya, Zambia. Egulere edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chimega je Christmas amonogo chingira kumwako muya iliwego kinemrulu yetu ao inyoranga nigo okonyora a channel ya Gatembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 Gatembe Television Network ekeonga kia Mwamogusi.
Christa Marian Mission Hospital niyo korerenga ba mentire obokorere bwaye nakoba ubuyekigima bonomba bwate a CT scan eyo yekerero ose the latest na boigo mbabwate ensema ya ICU na high dependence unit HDU asabarire banyarekire bakurigirirwa na konyora obokonye enero ni machine chekerero chibirengo bya Michael asabanyagitari bagukurigirirya asensemeiga babwate ibirengo bigoromono babwate ensemeri ya dialysis eyo